Yo, what's good, bro? So same as always, we're gonna start the beat up, let the producer tag run, and then wait for the beat to drop, and then you gonna go in for the top. Alright, bet.
I run through the pack like I'm Derrick Henry. These niggas want you like Ben Simmons.
Oh, my bad, bro. I said wait for the producer tag to finish, and then wait for the drop, and then go in. My bad, bro. My bad.
I keep a roll, I hit you all in a row.
Alright, I mean, it's better, but you know, we could still improve, you know. At least we heard the tag this time. You know, just take your time. You ain't gotta squeeze out a whole verse before the beat even drop. You know, let the producer get their shine real quick. Just take it easy, you know, let the beat breathe. Let's go from the top one more time.
Yeah, you know I'm flow with the green. I got that Glock in my jean. I got no rest in my jean.
Bruh, can you just let the beat breathe? Damn, you 2 seconds in, you trying to squeeze in a whole verse like your life depend on it. Like, you don't even let the producer get a tag off. You ain't even want to wait for the beat to drop. Like, damn, bro, you got some of the beat? Like, if you in a rush, just let me know, bro. Like, don't come book in the studio like you in a rush and you need to go pick up some groceries or something. Hey, listen, Slick, hit the subscribe button. My boy will go crazy. Slick.